Hi, second graders. Ms. Fogelman here for your reading lesson today. If you remember, we have been talking about author's purpose. We will continue that conversation today. All right, so our learning target is, I can identify the author's main purpose of a text, including what the author wants to answer, describe, and explain. Yesterday, we learned how authors will write a text to answer a question. Today, we are going to focus on how authors describe their text. So yesterday, our writings, for example, the one about rabbits, were all about answering a question. Today, they're going to be about describing something. Author's purpose is the main reason why the author wrote the text. We can ask these questions when reading to help us. Why did the author write this, and what does the author want us to know? Again, the three types of writing or author's purpose are answer a question, when a question is stated, explain, which tells, teaches, or gives information, or describe, tells how something or someone looks, uses adjectives. That's a big thing. Remember those describing words. All right, so our first example today is an author may write to describe something. You can ask yourself, did the author give me lots of details about the topic? Did the author use adjectives or describing words? All right, so here's our first example. The carnival was a sight to see. There were bright lights everywhere. I could smell cotton candy in the air. I could hear the buzzing of games in the background. I could feel the smooth seats of the rides. It was a wonderful place. So the author's main purpose is to describe, and an author may write to describe a carnival, right? Okay, so some of the describing words in this passage, there were bright lights everywhere. You could smell cotton candy. I could hear the buzzing of the games. I could feel the smooth seats of the rides, okay? These are all ways to get the reader to better understand the feeling that the author had in that situation, what they were seeing, smelling, tasting, okay? All right. The dinosaur fossil was huge. When I walked up to it, I could smell an old smell. When I touched its teeth, they felt long and sharp. When I felt its bones, they felt long and rough. Okay, so the main topic is, okay, so what's the main topic of this passage? Dinosaur fossils, right? And the author's purpose to write this text is to describe the dinosaur fossils to us. Okay, so some of the words he uses to describe to us, the dinosaur fossil was huge. There's a good word. I could smell an old smell. When I touched its teeth, they felt long and sharp. Gives us a better idea of just how scary those teeth might be. When I felt its When I felt its bones, they felt long and rough. So long, rough. So you can really get an understanding of when he's touching those bones, just how they felt. Okay, so in closure, you can look for the author describing things very clearly in a text. They may include the 5 senses, such as looks, taste, hear, smell, and feel. All right, make sure you do the activity in Shobi for reading, and that's all I have for you today. Have a great day.